there. And snow is drifting really bad around my house. And wow. Alright, let me go out the other door. Give you a shot of what it looks like out there. Freezing. That's a lot of snow. Yay! See the driveway again. Here's the, I don't know what they say, it's 2 to 3 inches per hour, which is going to be a total of 2 to 3 feet by the time this is done. 7:25 a.m. and they're of course warning about the snowing, drifting snow, and the whiteout conditions, which is what you can see right here. And this is just the tip of the storm, just starting to come in this morning. Pretty bad. That is a lot of snow. A lot of snow. It's coming down so hard that it's I can't even see. Well, let's see here. That tree is about 30 feet away from here, and I can see it. But once you look up, there's really nothing you can see. Blowing pretty good, and of course I'm gonna get buried. You see what it's doing outside. And that wind is howling. A minute ago I couldn't see nothing. Now I can see again, but as you can see, if I aim it right over there, it's just blowing snow in sheets right across the driveway. Obviously there's going to be a big old snowdrift over here again. But yeah. There it is. You see blue skies and white clouds. That is really crazy. Way over there, blue skies, white clouds. That's Lake Erie, top Lake Erie. Back this way, we got some ferocious wind still, and we can see, which is what they said, there was going to be a break in the storm, and we'll be back again this afternoon. So what we have is these unusual patterns in the snow, which don't really show up too good on this camera, where the wind blows these drifts and they hold patterns. In some cases, they just take the snow right away. But this is the calm before the next part of the storm, I guess. And that is not looking good up there. As a matter of fact, it's very gray, and a huge cloud system is moving over. Let's go right into the back here, so you can see the difference between what it looks like in the backyard and the front yard. And this. Blue skies and big white puffy clouds. That's crazy weather. Okay, more later. Forecast, and this stuff right here is some nasty snow. The dark blue that's in there, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, is the heavy snow. And you see that says Dunkirk and that says Buffalo, and I am right between the two. So right now the skies were blue, they were white puffy clouds, and now that's what's going on outside. This meal if he doesn't get blown away. And then down there is where the birds have been, but every time they see me they fly away. They're big scaredy cats. But gone are the blue skies. Here's one storm. He's within 18 inches away from here. I could actually reach out there and touch him. He heard me say that and said, "Oh no, you don't. I'm out of here."